Story writing. Okay, so how to write a story? What are the basic components?
Story should be interesting in past tense.
Okay, it should be interesting.
V2.
Okay, past tense. Then
There's some twist in the story.
twists. Then
Comedy actors like
these are genres, different genres. You can use comedy, horror, anything. Okay. Then
starting and ending should be
should be interesting. Beginning and ending. That should be impressive, interesting, catchy. Anything else that you need in a story?
paras.
Okay, paragraphs, right? And how many incidents should you narrate in a story? Is it 1, 2?
More than two.
More than 2, you sure? Means in one story you are going to tell another story and then another story.
2 or 3.
It's only one. Focus on one. Okay. It should be long and we can use active voice. Okay. Should be interesting, right?
We can also use medium.
To create a story, we need a catchy topic. It should be interesting. Okay. Okay, idioms. What about characters? Don't you need characters in stories?
And title should be attractive.
Okay, title, right? Title. It should be attractive. Then order. There must be sequence, right? Then anything else? Okay, so write down story. First, write down the definition. Story is a narrative. Is a narrative. Correct, Anmol. Characters depend on the topic, given topic, and sometimes maybe you will get a line in means the beginning, and then you have to complete the story. So it means for writing a story, for creating a story, you need your imagination. Okay. Okay, so story is a narrative of moderate length. Of moderate length that revolves around a single incident. Narrative of moderate length that revolves around a single incident. It has well marked beginning, middle and end. Well marked beginning, middle and end. Anushka, first line is story is a narrative of moderate length. Story is a narrative of moderate length that revolves around around a single incident. Okay. Next, write down beginning. First, beginning. Write down beginning. Set up an action. Gives the background in the beginning. You have to give the background of story. Background of the story. wait and wait later, and then catches attention of the reader. Then middle,
It's a past tense here, like,
depends, mostly in past.
present tense.
Mostly in past. Then, yes, Paramjeet, sometimes we don't, okay, yes, introduction of the characters, good point. In first, in beginning, introduction of the characters, at least main characters, so we introduce in the beginning. Next, develop action. Second, develop actions. Then talk about conflicts, introduce twists. Twists. And then ending. Climax. Climax of the story. Climax of the story. Now it is the climax of the story. So make it unpredictable. Okay. I hope you also like the movies that cannot be predicted. If the climax, if you already know the end, then it becomes boring. So climax of the story, it should be unexpected. Unexpected climax. Unexpected climax. Now write down important elements of the story. Important elements of the story. Written? Yes, those who are online. Okay. Elements of the story. First is plot. Current to its plot, time, and setting. Plot, time and setting, action, action, characters. So while writing a story, you need a plot, storyline, Done? Yes, Paramjit, वो इसमें आ जाएगा. Is it okay? Main events, actions, properties, everything. Okay? In plot. Got it? Yes, Akshima. Theme. Theme भी plot में ही आ जाएगी. Okay? Done? Now write down points to remember. Points to remember. Use simple and natural language. Use simple and natural language. Plan incidents before writing. Plan incidents. Then make beginning interesting. Beginning must be interesting. Means it shouldn't be plain. Create interest. Then develop situation logically. The most important thing. Logically and in sequence, in order. Yes, Paramjit. Logically and in order. Okay. Now make your characters whatever you are writing means your characters should be relatable. जो देख रहे हैं स्टोरी they should means जो सुन रहे हैं they should relate to the story. Again when we watch movies अगर हम characters के साथ relate कर पाते हैं then we find the story interesting. If we are not able to relate तो वो story बिल्कुल बेकार हो जाती है, right? So try to make them relatable and true. Okay, ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि these are true characters. Okay, so write down C true. Now, not more, but write down few dialogues because it is story, not play. Okay, so few dialogues. That's all. Depend. Story की length क्या है? ठीक है? Not more. Is it okay? Angel कला के देख लेना. ठीक है? To make it appear natural and interesting. Put some dialogue to make it appear natural and interesting. not more. Few dialogues, that's all. Surprise ending. Unexpected, that is unexpected and interesting ending. And then suitable title. Suitable title, and in some cases, we write the moral also. Okay? In some cases, we write down the moral. Not always, but sometimes. Done? Now write down the format. Format. Done? Okay, only Jevan. What about others? Okay, chalo. Okay then. Format basically you need to divide it into different paragraphs. That's all, nothing else. No need to write date, address, nothing. So write down the format, layout of the story, para 1, I think we have already discussed introduction and all, setting of plot and introduction of the main characters. Double mask. Para 2. It's plot. Angelina, elements, plot, time, plot, time, setting, more. Setting, action, characters, dialogues. And dialogues. Page 5 to 6, 7 depend करेगा. Next, write down para 2. Now develop the story by adding some situations to elaborate. This is a kind of ending. ठीक है? Kind of ending. Okay, write down one more thing, title. I forgot this. Write down this also. Title.
Capital letters.
नहीं, no, running. Done. Anyway, setting means time, place, time and place of that particular, that kind of background. Depend करता है. Maybe they'll give you the hints, only hints, and you have to fill in the blanks.
वैसे भी कैसे इसके साथ आएगी कि बस एक word.
Maybe you'll get only the para fifth, solution means ending. Okay, when you have to give solution, it means you have to end your story now. Obviously, जब solution निकल जाएगा तो it means story खत्म हो गई. It should be unexpected. Give proper twists और इतने ट्विस्ट भी मत देना कि स्टोरी का कुछ पता ही ना चले. No, Paramjeet, we'll not give you a particular genre that you have to write about this, write on this particular thing only. Maybe like unity is strength, something like that. Unity, diversity, or once there was a king and queen dash dash dash. Now complete the story. ऐसे भी आ सकती है. Is it okay? Now it is totally up to you how you make it interesting. See, let me tell you this, not always, but according to your exam point of view, if you give moral, extra marks. बच्चे ने moral लिखा है.
नंबर moral का क्वेश्चन होता है ना, जैसे कि फाइटिंग सीन्स होता है.
moral लिख रहे हो तुम, क्या moral आएगा?
Don't believe those.
Comedy लिख रहे हो then?
India.
Not like that. ठीक है? Done? Now let's write one story. What type of story do you want? Huh? Nahi means you want without hints or with hints. Yes. Yes, those who are online. Without hints, without hints तो तुम पता नहीं क्या लिख के दे दोगे मुझे. हाँ. अच्छा, write down. There was once an old lady. ठीक है? There was once. I hope you have written this. There was once an old lady.
She was a ghost.
She was a ghost.
Inside. Manita story plays. He's a
Complete.
उसको ये बन सकते हैं इसमें आप इस तरीके से कभी पेंटिंग करी गिटार
I don't know. Jevan, you serious? Complete the story. Introduce twists and turns.
इसकी एंडिंग में स्टार्टिंग
No, this is the beginning. No. Continue. You cannot change the beginning. After writing your story, give heading, title, okay? And those who are going to come offline for offline classes, bring your notebooks for checking. Oh no, Paramjit, no need to type the story. If you are coming here, then show your notebook to me. Otherwise, I'll unmute you. Okay? And yes, tomorrow I want all of you to narrate the story that you have written. Understood? I'm going to unmute you. Hardik, are you vaccinated? You cannot be vaccinated, na?
हम 15 का हो गया तो पास पे
No, Hardik, you are not vaccinated. Injection laga? No. Title end में Tanushka, I just wanted to say, write down your story, ठीक है? और make some, create some ideas. If possible, you can start your story with the title only. Title top में ही आएगा.
Ma'am, there was a old lady की बात मैंने something कि she
No, you cannot change this.
Ma'am, then
Introduce. This is the setting of the story. I have given you the setting. If I wanted to write some more thing, add, then I can add the place where the lady lived in some haunted house or something like that. All of you listen carefully, write some interesting story, and then tomorrow I'm going to unmute you, and then you have to narrate it. It should be good and interesting. Don't forget to divide the story into different paragraphs. Okay?